The Om mantra is a profound sound, revered in Hinduism, Buddhism, and various spiritual traditions. It embodies the primordial vibration of the universe, the very essence of creation. When I chant Om, I connect with the waking state, represented by A, embracing the physical world and the act of creation. The U resonates with the dreaming state, where life is preserved in the subtle realm. Then comes M, symbolizing deep sleep, a state of rest and dissolution. The silence that follows is not just emptiness. It signifies the transcendental, the ultimate consciousness that transcends duality. Chanting Om brings clarity to my mind, enhances my spiritual awareness, and harmonizes my entire being. It's a powerful practice that connects me to the universal consciousness, reminding me of my place in the cosmos.